Alright, so this is like maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks since I last touched this tractor. I think the last thing I done was either trying to set the timing or did a carburetor kit on it. And it still does it. So now I went and bought myself a borescope, okay, a camera. So I'm gonna go in there and see what the cylinders look like if they're scoring. If they're really scoring bad, this thing's getting an engine overhaul. Okay, so yeah, so if you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe, and let's take a check and see what's in there. So I'm going to start off by removing the plugs. Even got some spiders making some nests here. I think the wrench for the crank bolt is 1 1/8". I'm not sure. And these might be, they're 3/4 of an inch, but I'm using a 23. I don't have a deep socket that's 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to disconnect the battery. Yes, I hurt my arm. I'm going to disconnect the battery and make sure that I don't chop up my my new camera. I just bought a new camera for a borescope, and yet my camera I'm filming with right now needs to be replaced. So if anybody out there has a kind heart, I need a Sony telescopic lens, like flat camera, pocket camera, sort of like the Canon 620. But I can actually put a microphone on it, and I can't do it on the Canon camera. I don't know why they don't provide you an extra camera, an extra jack for a camera, right? So a little bit about what I bought. I bought a depth Tech, okay, and it has a camera and video capabilities, and I can do a 180 on my photos, and I can actually take a picture and split my screen, take the side and take the front, because this camera has a side camera and has a front camera, both with lights. So for the money, this was a really good buy. Really good buy. This is a good camera, and it does a 180 high def. It's good enough for text and stuff like that. It really is. And these are available on Amazon and probably through their own website. Okay, I'm just telling you what I bought to do the job. I'm not advertising for these people, but so far I'm happy with this camera. Okay, so we're taking off the plugs. And they're pretty dark. So that means it's running rich, real rich. It's not firing on. And these are brand new plugs. So, any hole that isn't top dead center, I can go in there with the camera, right? There must be something on the bottom of the cylinders, right?